Welcome to CAS 103, Columbia Gorge Community College, The Dalles, Oregon. Instructor, Mrs. Hughitt. In this slideshow, we're going to be talking about the journal assignment that you need to do down here. And things get updated, so anytime that you watch the video, be sure you go in and actually look at the directions. So let's walk our way through this direction. This is a reflection on your learning. You will do one of these each week of the term. You're to tell me 3 themes in the unit or 3 things you learned. Tell me 2 ways that you can use that. And if you were going to teach somebody, not that you actually have to go out and teach somebody, but if you got the chance and you could teach somebody, what would you teach and why would you do it? Why do you think it would be helpful for them? And as it says there in caps, you do not actually have to teach it. It's just what would you teach? Also, starting in week 3, this is actually supposed to be grayed out here, and in the original copy it was, but Moodle likes to do its own thing. And so you'll just have to see that this is gray. Well, not very gray. I'll try it again. Since you will not be doing this for week 1 and 2, but I don't want you to miss the direction in week 3, so I've included it each time. And that's the +1. In week 3, we'll start doing some vocabulary words. You're going to build your own dictionary. And during that time, you're going to do 1 sentence here on this that helps explain what you learned this week. Okay, so it's basically a 4th section. It's not part of the other 3. Do not repeat a generic sentence that you used in the vocabulary assignment. Do one that it is just about this particular assignment. Also, you need to underline it or bold it, highlight it, color the vocabulary word so you make it stand out. Now you can write it using Microsoft Word. A lot of people have that. All the college machines do. And that is my first choice. If you have it, please use it. If not, you can use WordPad or Notepad or WordPerfect. But you cannot use Mac Pages. I don't have a way to open it and read it. You cannot use Works, which was the free, cheaper program that used to come installed on machines back in the Vista days and before. I have no way to open that. You have to have either a TXT, RFT, DOC, DOCX, or a WPD file. Now, I mean, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but just know I am limited by those endings on your files of what I can open. If you send me something in a format I cannot open it, I will let you know that. And you'll need to find a different program to be using for the rest of the term. Don't just keep sending it so it does not work. You are to be using complete sentences, good grammars, capitals, and I really do focus on anybody that forgets to put a capital I when they're talking about themselves. That just jumps out at me. Periods, question marks, check your spelling, check your grammar. If you're an English as a second language student, please make sure you put on S's and EDs, proper tense, present, past, and future tense. 2 words, those sometimes get in our way. The grading rubric is included there as well, so you can look down through and see what the grade rubric is. But know that one of the requirements is that you have at least 150 words. Now, when you're working in Word, and that's what I'm going to open now on the screen, this is Word, this is what I'd like to see you using. And as you type, can't type today. You will notice it added a word count down here at the bottom where my mouse is gone. There's a word count. I've typed 5 words. So it's very easy for you to tell when you've hit 150 words. It's also very easy for me to tell when you have hit 150 words when I open it. If you type in some other program that doesn't do that, I will probably copy and paste it, drop it into Word, and I'll know immediately how many words you have. I do grade down for not writing enough. Also, please make sure you put a space between each question. So, tell me this paragraph, this information, put a space or 2. Tell me the next one, space or 2. Tell me the next one, space or 2. Tell me the next one, space or 2. So it's not all run in together as one big blob of work. These are each a paragraph in and of themselves. Hopefully this video will help you be successful at getting the journals done. You upload them into Moodle, as most work is done into Moodle. Unless said otherwise, it will go into Moodle. And make sure you have it done on time before the link closes Saturday nights at midnight. These are not accepted late. Only the first week will I occasionally make an exception based on the fact that it is the first week and this is a beginning class. By the second and third week, you should be an old pro and ready to go on time.